Hello everyone! In our new video, we will guide you through the process of registering for a teacher account. Registration is not required for the free version. It is only necessary for basic and premium subscriptions. To start, click on the register link from the main page. You have the option to sign up with Clever, Kahoot, or Google, or you can manually enter your information. You will then be given the option to choose where your data will be stored. Once you've made your selection, click on the Register as a Teacher login button. You will need to confirm your email with a confirmation link sent to your email address. If you don't see the email in your inbox, remember to check your spam and promotions folders. After confirming your email, you will be prompted to enter your new password twice and provide the rest of the necessary information to complete your registration. Following confirmation, you will be given the option to start your free trial. If you have already purchased a license, you will be provided with one by your organization's admin. You can then enter the license key or choose to start a free trial. When starting a free trial, you will be redirected to an online portal where you can submit your credit card information. Rest assured, no charges will be made during the trial period. Your subscription will be automatically renewed if you don't cancel it. We will show you how to do this in the next video. And there you have it. You are now registered and your free trial has automatically commenced.